like me, but they ought to think twice before they start to envy me, because I have no privacy, it's a fantasy. And though my name is known now across the ocean, and millions come to see me play on tour, oh really I hate this endless self-promotion, with all these screaming women who come knocking at my door. And I gotta play straight, I gotta play straight, I gotta play straight, 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 I gotta play straight, straight, straight. Baby, you'd think they guessed that I was gay. What straight guy wears his hair this way? It's a little bouffant. Baby, I thought I'd left a lot of clues. No one should really be confused after I sang a duet with Elton John, but people's minds then were not that open. Remember, this was 1984, when if you were gay your feelings were rarely spoken, except for Larry Grayson saying, ooh, shut that door. So I gotta play straight, I gotta play straight, I gotta play straight, 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 I gotta play straight, straight, straight.